Good morning children. Let us start UKG class. Today I am going to teach about subject English. Okay children. Now we are going to learn cursive letters. In the previous class what you had learned children? In the previous class also you had learned some letters means Q and O and P. Okay, O and P. Now today we are going to learn about Q and R. Okay children, now I am showing you children how to write cursive letter, capital letter Q and small letter q, and with capital letter R and small letter r. Okay children, now let us start the class. So first you open your English classwork. So you take a cursive letters pages. So you divide it into two parts now. So take a cursive writing pages and write there O, P after. Next you write Q and R. Okay, so you have to write in one page Q and again you write one more page R. Okay, so first you put the date children. 1919, write slanting line, write 3, again you write one slanting line 2021 2021. Okay children, 19/3/2021. So first you put the date. After let's come to the first line children. Here see children what I am writing here now in a red pen. Capital letter cursive writing Q and small letter q. So this is first line. Heading children. So you also write like this in the classwork. So now let us see children how to write and how to following the lines. So first you put the small circle, and you know about children how to write Q, no? So this is cursive writing capital letter Q and this is cursive writing small letter q. So we have to write in cursive writing capital letter Q in 3 lines, and so first 3 lines, and next small letter q in write downer 3 lines. So mean first touch the blue line to last pink line. Okay children, you should follow the line and write in the classwork. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Here see children what I am writing here now. I am writing here cursive writing capital letter Q in 3 lines, means first pink line to last blue line, means third line. And now write cursive writing small letter q in, I am writing here 3 lines, means touch the first blue line to last pink line. Okay, I am following here 3 lines only children. Okay, so capital letter q in you have to write 3 for starting 3 lines, upper 3 lines, and you have to write small letter q in downer 3 lines. Okay, understood children? I am showing here children, you also seeing this video after you write in the classwork. Okay, otherwise you cannot write children. So first you seeing this video, after you take classwork and write there. Okay, so don't see in only PDF and write children, don't write there. So first you seeing this video, after you write in the classwork. Okay children, cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. You follow the lines and write children. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. So you follow the line and write children. So you have to write capital letter in 3 lines, means first pink line to last third blue line. Next small letter q you have to write in 3 lines, means downer 3 lines. First you start the beginning in first blue line to last pink line, you touch the line children. Okay, so you should follow the line and write cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Okay, understood children? I hope you all are understood, and you also seeing this video and write in the classwork. And you should follow the line and write neatly. Okay children, cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Cursive writing capital letter Q and cursive writing small letter q. Okay children, now it is finished. Cursive writing capital letter Q and small letter q. So both also finish here in this page. So we have to write 4 columns in this page, means 4 times. Okay children, so you complete the Q after. Let's go to the next page children. I have to write there. Now I am showing here children, I am showing here red pen also. Cursive writing capital letter R and small letter r. So now let us see children how to write. Okay, so you see in this video. So cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. Cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. Okay children, so you should write in cursive writing capital letter R in 3 lines. Means you follow the line 3 lines. First pink line to last third blue line. And next you have to write small letter R in only 2 lines. Okay, you should only follow in 2 lines for cursive writing small letter R. Okay, here see children what I am writing here now. So you also write like this in the classwork. And I'll send PDF page also children, you see there and write. So once you first seeing this video, after you write in the classwork. What I am showing here now children. So you see there and write in the classwork. So cursive writing capital letter R in, you have to following 3 lines. Means first pink line to third blue line. Next you have to cursive writing small letter R in only following 2 lines. Means 2 blue lines. Okay. This is cursive writing capital letter R. And it is cursive writing small letter r. Okay children, cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. You also say and write children. Okay. So you see here children, you see my hand movement and you also write like this in the classwork. So you first see my hand movement now. So that time you also see and write. Okay. Cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. Cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. Cursive writing capital letter R and cursive writing small letter r. Okay children, here finished. Here Q and R both letter also you have learned today. Okay children, now I am showing here, already I will show that. So you also write like this in the classwork. What I am showing here now children. So you also seeing this video, afterwards you take a classwork and write there. So if you not written in the previous class O and P letter, if you not written, so today you sit and write both also children. O and P and Q and R also. Okay, 4 letter also today you sit and write. If you already complete the classwork, means today you sit and write Q and R. Okay, capital letter Q, small letter q, and capital letter R and small letter r. So both letter also today you sit and write children. So you finish the classwork, after you take a rough note and practice there 4 or 5 times children from cursive letter A to R. Okay, so cursive letters from A to R with small letters also. So with small letter also you learn. So I am giving in here in the test also. So you practice in the rough book 4 or 5 times. Okay children, I hope you all are understood. So you must complete the classwork children. Okay, so what I am doing in the from first class to this class no. So that is remember once again in the next class children. So once you write Q and R both also today you sit and write children. Okay, if you all are complete the classwork children, I hope you complete the classwork. If you not complete the classwork, today you sit and complete the classwork children. Okay. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class.